The third derivative of a function fx vanishes for all x if the function at x equal to 0 is equal to 1. The first derivative of the function at x equal to 1 is equal to 3. The second derivative of the function at x equal to 1 is equal to minus 2. These three conditions are given, and find the function. You have to find the function. So here you let the function be represented by fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and it is given that the function at x equal to 0 is equal to 1. So if you substitute the value of x equal to 0 here, this term will be equal to 0, this term also will be equal to 0. So the function c, the function at x equal to 1, it is given 1. So 1 will be equal to c. fx will be equal to 1. So c will be equal to 1. So from this condition, we can find out the value of c, that is equal to 1. Now let us put this condition, the second condition, in this equation. Find out the derivative of this function fx. The derivative of the function that will be equal to f dash x is equal to constant a, derivative of 2x with respect to x is 2x, derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x, derivative of bx with respect to x is b, and derivative of c equal to 0. So the first derivative of the function f dash x is equal to a into 2x plus b, but it is given that the first derivative at x equal to 1 is equal to 3. So if you put the value of x is equal to 1 here, this will be equal to 2 into 1 into a plus b, and that value is given f dash 1, or the first derivative of the function at x equal to 1, it is given 3. So this will be equal to 3. So 2b plus b, 2a plus b will be equal to 3. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now let us check the third condition. The third condition is given the second derivative of the function at x equal to 1, it is equal to minus 2. The first derivative of the function we have found out, f dash x is equal to a into 2x plus b. So now let us check the second derivative. The second derivative will be, we represent it f double dash x, that is equal to 2a is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So this value will be equal to 2a and derivative of b equal to 0. So the second derivative of this function will be equal to 2a, and it is given that the second derivative at x equal to 1 is equal to minus 2. That means f double dash 1 will be equal to minus 2. So 2a is equal to minus 2. So a will be equal to minus 1. So if you put the value of a in equation 2 here, a, that is minus 2. So 2a plus b is equal to 3. Put the value of a equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus b equal to 3. So b equal to 5. So in this way you can find out the value of a, that is equal to minus 1, the value of b equal to 5, and value of this c is equal to 1. So you can find out the value of fx. The value of fx is given, the function is given. Suppose here we have taken ax square plus bx plus c. So the function will be equal to a value, we have found out the value of a is equal to minus 1. So the function will be minus x square plus the value of b 5 plus 5x plus c, the value of c we have found out 3. So plus 3. So the function will be equal to fx, the function will be equal to fx, that will be equal to ax square, that means minus equal to 1, so minus x square plus b value equal to 5, so plus bx plus c value equal to 3, so plus 3. So this will be the required function. Thank you.